Hello, Denton ISD family. I'm Dr. Susannah O'Bara, Superintendent of Schools. As we head deeper into the final stretch of the school year, I want to thank you for staying connected to the important work happening in our district. Last night's board meeting was another meaningful one, from celebrating outstanding student achievements to engaging in thoughtful discussions that will shape the future of Denton ISD. Here's a look at what took place. We opened the meeting with the Pledges of Allegiance led by students from Borman Elementary. These students represented their school beautifully, and it was truly a wonderful reflection of the Borman community. The board had the honor of recognizing some outstanding members of the Denton ISD family. First, we celebrated the graduating members of our Student Advisory Council, a group of students who serve as representatives from across our district, meeting with me and other district leaders throughout the year to share their perspectives, ideas, and feedback on what matters most to them as learners. Their voices help shape our work, and I am grateful for their willingness to serve. To our graduating council members, thank you for your leadership and your commitment to making Denton ISD better. We are proud of you and excited for what lies ahead. We also recognize Shay Crawford, an 11th grader at Ryan High School, who was selected for the State Youth Art Month exhibition. Only 100 student artworks from across the state are chosen each year for this exhibition. We also want to congratulate her art teacher, Miss Amy Fouch, whose mentorship helped make this moment possible. Shay, we are so proud to see you represent Denton ISD on this statewide stage. Congratulations. During last night's workshop session, the board engaged in several discussions focused on the future of our district and ensuring we continue to meet the needs of every student and community we serve. The board received an update from the Bond Progress Committee, along with the construction update on current building projects across the district. Trustees reviewed progress and milestones on our new campuses and facility improvements, and it is exciting to see these projects continue to move forward. This ongoing work reflects our commitment to transparency and accountability as we invest in the facilities and infrastructure that support student learning. We remain grateful to the voters and community members whose support of the bond made these investments possible. Thank you for believing in the future of Denton ISD. The board discussed the 2026-2027 budget, receiving an update on the current year's financial position as well as early revenue and expenditure projections for next year. These projections are guided by key assumptions, including property value growth, average daily attendance, and student population trends, all of which are critical factors in how school funding is determined in Texas. Our budget priorities remain focused on maintaining our primary emphasis on teaching and learning, ensuring program sustainability, supporting a competitive compensation plan, and preserving fund balance integrity, all within a balanced budget. We will continue to share additional budget information at our upcoming board meetings. The board received a compensation and staffing plan for the 2026-2027 school year, which included a recommended compensation increase for trustees to consider as we continue to prioritize competitive pay for our employees. Attracting and retaining the most talented educators and staff members is essential to the success of our students, and this discussion reflects our ongoing commitment to ensuring Denton ISD remains a destination for the best in education. Finally, the board received a comprehensive update on employee benefits and workers' compensation. The presentation covered the full scope of our benefits program, which currently covers more than 12,000 lives, including employees, spouses, and dependents. And our Concentra partnership continues to provide high-quality urgent care, primary care, and occupational health services for our team. Taking care of the people who take care of our students is always a priority. The board also took action on a truly exciting milestone, the official naming of High School Number 5 and CTE Center Number 2. We want to extend our sincere gratitude to everyone in our community who took time to submit recommendations. Your engagement and passion for Denton ISD are what make this community so special. We are thrilled to announce that high school number 5 will be named in honor of Mia Price, who served on the Denton ISD Board of Trustees for more than 2 decades and dedicated herself to advocating for students, families, and the future of this district. CTE number 2 will be named in honor of Dr. Jim Alexander, who served 30 years as a Denton ISD trustee, bringing in a lifetime of commitment to public service as both a former Denton City Council member and professor at Texas Woman's University. These names carry deep meaning and reflect the values of our community. We could not be more excited as we watch these campuses continue to take shape and for the bright futures that will bring them to life. If you'd like to review presentations or materials from last night's board meeting, they are available on the Board of Trustees webpage on the district website. Our next regular board meeting will take place on Tuesday, May 12th, and we look forward to sharing another recap with you then. Thank you for being an important part of the Denton ISD community and for your continued support of our students and schools. We'll continue sharing these updates so you always know what's happening and how we're moving forward together in Denton ISD.